If you've been searching for 5 basic passive income streams for over 50s, no experience needed, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know which of these 5 passive income streams I'd recommend if I was starting over after 50 with absolutely no experience. And trust me, it's probably not the one you're expecting. This channel is all about helping people over 50 create more financial freedom without needing fancy tech skills, huge investments, or years of business experience. And if, by the end of the video, you'd like to learn more about my #1 recommendation, I've put together a free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. You can watch it using the link in the description. Oh, and one more thing. You're actually being guided by my AI twin today. He never needs a coffee break, never has a bad hair day, and thankfully doesn't ask for a pay rise. Let's get started with number 5. Number 5, high-interest savings accounts and term deposits. I know this isn't the most exciting one on the list, but if you've got money sitting in a standard savings account earning next to nothing, you're leaving money on the table. Moving those funds into a high-interest savings account or term deposit can instantly increase your earnings without changing your lifestyle. Is it going to make you wealthy? No, but it's safe, simple, and requires almost zero effort. Sometimes passive income starts with making your existing money work harder. But what if you don't have much money saved? That's where number 4 comes in. Number 4, rent out things you already own. Most people think they need to buy assets to make passive income. Not necessarily. Look around your home: a spare bedroom, a caravan, power tools, camera equipment, even a parking space. These are all things that could generate extra income instead of collecting dust. It's not completely passive because you'll need to organize bookings or handovers, but once it's set up, it doesn't require a lot of ongoing work. Still, there's another option that can continue paying you long after you've done the initial work. Let's look at number 3. Number 3, dividend investing. Buying shares in quality companies that pay dividends allows your investments to generate regular income. The mistake many beginners make is chasing the highest dividend. Instead, focus on strong companies with a history of consistent growth and reliable dividend payments. Think of it like planting an orchard. You don't get fruit overnight, but with patience, those trees can keep producing year after year. Of course, investing always carries risk, so make sure you do your own research or seek professional advice. Now, before we get to my top 2, let me quickly mention something. If you're looking for one of the simplest online business models for beginners, don't forget to watch my free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass. It's completely free and explains the strategy I'll reveal in just a moment. But first, number 2. Number 2, create a digital product. Here's something many people over 50 underestimate. Your experience has value. Maybe you've spent decades gardening. Maybe you're brilliant at woodworking. Maybe you've learned how to stretch every dollar in retirement. There are people searching online every day for exactly that knowledge. You can package what you already know into an ebook, printable guide, checklist, or short online course. Create it once, then sell it over and over again. It won't happen overnight, but once it's created, it can become an asset that keeps generating income. Which brings us to my number 1 recommendation, and this is the one I'd personally focus on if I was starting again today. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, one of the best passive income opportunities for people over 50. Why? Because you don't need to create products. You don't need to hold inventory. You don't deal with shipping. You don't handle customer service. Instead, you simply recommend products or services you genuinely believe in. When someone purchases through your referral link, you earn a commission. The real magic happens because the work you do today can continue earning for months or even years. A YouTube video, a blog post, an email. They can all keep working while you're spending time with your family, traveling, or simply enjoying retirement. That's why affiliate marketing is my favorite strategy. It allows ordinary people to build digital assets that can continue generating income long after they've been created. If you'd like to learn exactly how affiliate marketing works and how beginners over 50 are getting started, make sure you watch my free on-demand affiliate marketing masterclass using the link below. It'll walk you through everything step by step. The biggest takeaway from today's video is this: you don't need to be young, you don't need to be wealthy, and you definitely don't need to be a technology expert to build passive income. What you do need is to pick one strategy, stay consistent, and give yourself enough time to let it grow. Now that you know my 5 favorite passive income streams for beginners over 50, The next thing you'll want to learn is 5 accessible passive income streams for beginners 50 and older. Click the video on your screen now because I'll show you even more beginner-friendly income ideas that could be the perfect fit for your situation. I'll see you there.